Hey all, Steve from GuitarNiche here. Today's going to be a quick shop tip. Now you'll notice on this fretboard, this roasted maple Larry Carlton S7 fretboard, that it looks clean. Yes, the frets need a little bit of a finish work. I just finished leveling and crowning, but moreover, the comparison between where this was before I started in terms of the condition of the actual painted surface and where it is now was due to two things. Okay, one is a household cleaner. The other was a simple household scrub brush. Look at that, it's brilliant, okay? This thing worked like a champ, okay? All I did was, I just, spritzen a little bit, okay? Very, lightly, wiped it off with a paper towel, and then hit it with this thing to get out the junk in the knees of the frets and stuff like that. Worked like a champ, okay? So, a pair of these will cost you like $5, a pair, okay? No fancy tools, just nice painted fretboard friendly bristles, okay? And away you go, okay? Anyway, hope you get something out of that. Again, my name is Steve, this is GuitarNiche. Thanks a bunch for watching, I always appreciate the new eyeballs. As always, play loud, have fun, have a great day. Cheers. See ya.